going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Doug Machado. This video I'm going to be showing you guys my E46 M3 drift project. I'm actually going to be cleaning up the sound deadening residue that was left from when I was taking it out. I actually used a torch instead of using dry ice because I was having a really hard time finding dry ice around here. Nobody had it. I called up all the stores, all the grocery stores, food stores, nobody had it. One of the stores I called, they actually told me that you need a license for selling dry ice. So that being said, I used a torch instead. That being said, I'm now going to clean all the glue that was left from the deadening sounding proof, whatever you call it. I'm going to be using brake cleaner to clean it off. Everything was taken out already. So after I do that, I'm going to be chopping some metal out of the car, like the rear speaker deck. That's a big chunk of metal that's not needed, and it's going to be in the way when we do the cage. So I'm going to be chopping that off, and I'm going to be cleaning all this stuff up. There's some little metals here and there, like to hold the rear seat in place. I'm going to be taking that out of the equation as well, because we don't need anything, you know, to be in the way and kind of hurt you when you're working in the car, especially with the cage. It's going to be very tight in the car, so we don't want any of those sharp metals on the body of the car to hurt you. After that, I'm going to be sanding everything down. I still have to take out the sunroof cassette, which is a lot of weight as well. I'm going to be taking that out, but I'm only going to take that out after I buy the card, so I can park the car outside when I need to, and it's not going to rain inside the car and rust everything out. So I want to do that card first, that sunroof delete panel, and then I'll drop it down so I can move the car outside. After everything's prepped in here, ready to be painted, I'm gonna pull the motor out, pull the transmission out, and axles and whatever else I can. So this way I can send my axles out to be forged. I can work on the motor while my boys are working on painting and prepping and doing the cage. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's start cleaning this thing up, and I'll show you guys the result.
They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine,